Well, this was an interesting clock that came to me. It's a, let me show you the clock. It's a triple chime clock, which means that it plays three different tunes, Westminster, and I forget what the others are. Anyway, it runs fine, and I thought it had a broken mainspring on the chime, because not the strike, which strikes the hours, but the chime, which plays the tunes. And I thought it was broken mainspring, because when I wound it, it just kept winding. So, and maybe it wasn't broken, but maybe it just became unhooked in the barrel. But actually what happened is this gear, this one right here, okay, if you take a look, has worn so much in its arbor hole that, and I can't really give you a good picture of it, unfortunately. I can try, but it wore so much that it becomes disengaged with the gear and spins down. Made me think that it had a broken mainspring. But in either case, this movement's going to have to be disassembled and the plate separated. And I guess I don't get to use my mainspring winder, which is over here. This wonderful tool that I got that I used once, and I'm looking for an opportunity to use it again. And so there you go. Anyway, that's my my plan for, maybe I've got the winter left, and I'll use that as a winter project. This is a very interesting tool that I picked up, and it's like a dental drill, very fine, very unlike a cable flex drive. It's very free and works very well. Anyway, a little show and tell. So it runs well. And hopefully it will chime again. Thanks for watching.